What's up, guys? This is part 2 of my testimonial. If you guys know me, my name is Alex Pruitt, Blue Capital, and we got some really cool stuff to show you. If you watched my last video, I started with $1,400 and I took it to $14K. And check this out. Here's where we are today. I've done this in 30 days. This is my live trading account, 102K. I've had a 31K week, and just so you guys can see, I did a little withdrawal. 93K in the last 30 days. So that's where I'm at. How did I do this so quick? I literally went straight through every video in the academy. I rocked the box strategy, I followed the instructions, jumped on all the live calls with Ken and Michael, and it's been a game changer. If you watched the first video, you know that I came into those knowing absolutely nothing about trading, no pips, no nothing. So that's how I did it. $1,400 to $100K, 30 days. Blue Capital. And so I'll show you guys a little breakdown of my journey. It's been wild. I've had ups and downs for sure. If you're looking at my screen right now, you can see this is on the month. So you can scroll back and see, obviously I still take some L's just like everybody. But this has been my last 30 days of trades. You can see I'm mostly trading what's called indices, US 30, NAS 100, S&P 500. So this has been my last month, and this is my last week, 31K. Again, take my L's just like everybody else, but this has been part of my journey. I'm gonna try my best to keep you guys updated on how it's going. Yeah, because it's been an overall awesome experience for me. Yeah, I mean, so during this whole time, I've withdrawn, as you guys can see here, this is my last month. I've withdrawn, well, it shows 3K, but I've withdrawn a total of 14K. So $1,400. My account now is 102,000. And if you're watching this, you can see I'm actually in a live trade right now on US 30. And yeah, so I've technically made almost 115,000 pretty quick.